Good morning, amazing Infinity family. I'm back here with my fourth fortnight message. And in this fortnight message, I want to talk something about which is actually, the only and only thing which is required to succeed in this business actually. After having a dream and after having, your desire to succeed, this is the only thing which is required to succeed in this business. You know what is that one thing? And many people miss out on that. Many times what happened, people start the business, they get few team members and they start riding on them, right? But the only thing which is required to succeed in this business is you have to lead by example. Now leading by example means what? Leading by example means, whatever you are expecting from your people, first check, are you doing yourself? Are you doing yourself? Are you doing excellent in every aspect which you are expecting from your team actually, right? Okay. Many times it happens, you sign up, with the help of your upline, you sign a few more people and you start behaving like an upline, right? But remember one thing, upline position is not given. It is to be earned actually, right? The respect is to be earned. People will follow all their life if they see you pushing yourself actually before you push them actually, right? So it starts from everything. It starts from whether are you following all the basics? Have you done your books, DVDs, everything actually, right? Are you attending all the systems, right? Are you predictable? Or your downline sometimes see that you're not there actually, right? Are you predictable? Are you doing everything what is required to be done by a downline actually, right? Are you pushing yourself for 20 DRs? Have you done your 20 DRs, right? Are you doing 5+3 on daily basis? All these small little things which are basics actually from day one, if it is in place, believe me, you will never face any issue in leading a team because people will see you doing something and they will start doing it on their own without you telling them, because this is monkey see monkey do business, right? But this is something which I have seen missing all across. Many people come, they ride on their others as if they got some horses and they will take them to the financial freedom. But believe me, it may help you to earn little bit of money in the beginning actually, right? It may happen that your few people can be instrumental to build a large team actually. But you know what? You will face the music sometime in this journey actually, right? I know many people who actually earned a lot of money in last 3-4 years, but because in few aspects they are not leading by example, they are bleeding again because of some or other challenge in the team actually, right? But if you are leading by example from the beginning, no matter what challenge come, you know how to bounce back, you know how to push yourself back, right? And that's what exactly your team also does. Okay, and I learned only one thing from day one actually. I applied also same thing, pushing myself more than anyone else. This will ensure that people will do what you are doing, okay? Because I don't believe in motivating, because people who don't lead by example, they kept motivating team. But motivation is having a shelf life, okay? If you really want to do something for the team, inspire them. Because inspiration is for lifetime, but motivation, with a shower, it can be washed actually, right? Okay. So don't try to motivate team. Inspire with your work, inspire with your result, and inspire with your hard work actually, right? Okay. And continue doing the same thing no matter how much are you earning. Continue doing the same thing how much, how big your team is, no matter what is your level, what is your rank, continue doing the same thing, okay? Okay, if the team is set, everything is on auto mode, start a new team. Take that team to the next level. Start a new market again, right? Start from zero again. That will not only help you to lead by example, but also it will keep you on ground, and which will ensure that any sort of challenge cannot shake you. Reason is very simple, because you know how to build it anywhere actually, right? And you have not forgotten the basics, and you are doing the basics again and again. This is a principle which I followed everywhere actually, right? Every time till date I handle a team as a working upline, and once that team start doing good on their own, I ensure that I start taking care of another team who are like newborn babies and take them to the next level, because I don't want to ride on people who are on their own. Yes, my duty, my job is to teach them in the beginning, okay, help them actually to reach to a stage where they are on their own. But after that, it is their credit, it is their journey. Yes, I'm there to tell them where, what to do, what not to do. But when it comes to, work, I love to work on the ground, okay, with new team, always with the new team, and lead by example and create new success stories. This will also ensure that your old team will not get bored from your stories, will not, you will not be predictable to them when you train actually, because they've seen you for a very long time, correct? But when you share new stories of new success stories of a new team actually, right? New profiles, that is the time they see that you're still on the ground. They see that you are still, you can pull up your sleeves and land in any market where you don't know anybody and still start working and build a big team actually, right? And most importantly, you will never lose your confidence if you are leading by example. Otherwise, you will have relationship issues, with the team. You will have relationship issues with your leaders or eventually, and because you will not give them, room to grow on their own actually, right? Because you will be sitting on their head always. It is always better. At times you have to leave them and start the new team and lead by example from zero again, okay? And you will have confidence to rebuild again and again, and that will help you to build more and more TC, more and more markets, and that will help you to build a legacy which is unshakable actually, no matter what happens. So guys, only one way: lead by example. Check yourself. Are you leading by example? Check every aspect of the business, okay, and see, are you leading by example? And if you think, okay, there are few aspects where you leading by example, but still your team is not following those aspects, right? They will not follow till the time you are not leading 100% by example actually. Not few aspects, everything. Once you start doing 100%, okay, and you start leading by example on 100% all aspects of the business, believe me, you will see few people coming up. They will start following you without even you noticing, and they will come up stronger and better than you. And this is what we want in our business, right? So leading by example is the only way. So are you the one who's leading by example? And if you're facing challenge, if your team is stuck, I can give you in writing somewhere you are not leading by example. Okay? So thank you very much and keep leading by example. Thank you.